Hello, Ruben Leverage. Welcome to the channel. It's been absolutely pouring down here all morning and the ground's saturated. All the jobs I've got to do are outdoors. More rain's forecast, so there's only one thing left to do, and that's go and see my old Uncle John, see what he's up to. Bit of progress on the wagons. Ain't been over there for a while, so I'm looking forward to it. Little showman's coming on, John.
Yeah, it's getting there now.
Front's nice. Panels on. Them panels look nice in there.
I know. Once you get all the rest of the paintwork in,
yeah,
all these panels be lined in here, and then
yeah, lovely.
These fronts come on a lot better. The doors nearly done.
Let's have a look at that.
Now doing the wheels.
How much longer you got on this, do you think?
Hopefully get this finished today.
Yeah. Yeah, nice. Still got the unders to do then?
Yeah, well, we're working this side first.
Yeah.
Got this all in. Just got to finish a bit more line around there, around the pad box. Then what I like to do is grease the wheels up, put them on, done.
Yeah.
Don't put these all in.
I really like that. I really like them. Yeah.
Yeah, I think it's subtle.
Yeah, I really like. It's
rich,
just yeah, that's really nice. Yeah.
I think time we get the rest of the whites in and that, I think it'll be nice.
Yeah. Oh, you got them extra carvings in?
Yeah, extra carvings in there.
Yeah. They're on the last video, freshly carved. They're all now on, done. Pan boxes on.
We did have a couple of the original ones, so we took them off the original ones.
Yeah.
It's got this back bit to do here.
Along the back here. Pan boxes on.
Yeah.
It's a good old box. Look nice, them extra carvings.
A lot of different stuff.
Yeah. So them shadow lines going to be in the top. Oh yeah, good. Oh yeah, sorry. Yeah, that.
Well, these ones actually, I signed it against these ones I'm taking out.
Right.
So I like them with pattern better.
Right.
So it's just a matter of taking these ones out,
yeah,
these ones out and painting these ones out. And I'll redo all them.
Yeah, very nice.
The next week or two should be glossed at the top.
Right.
The bottom's all been done.
Yeah.
We're now working on the inside, bringing all the wood up to how it originally was.
Well, we'll have a look at that when it's finished, and
yeah.
I'll talk to the man. How long's the French polisher been here now?
They've been here. How long you been here now, Rob?
Let's have a chat to this man.
3 days this week.
3 days, it'll be another 4 days, won't it?
Yeah.
So, you're here. You got the laborious task of French polishing interior of this?
Yeah, most definitely. It's it's a bit of a privilege really. You don't get much chance to do things like this too often.
No.
You know?
No.
So, done one already, and this is the second one.
You've done the West Wagon,
yeah,
because I've done a film on that. The interior, that was really, really nice. So,
came up lovely.
and you're taking this back to original as well.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Be done like that.
Well, I'll film it when it's all finished, because you've got a bit of work to do in there yet.
Yeah.
You've been here, what, 3 days?
Yeah, 3 days this week.
Yeah.
The day week before.
Yeah.
I've also done bits in my workshop, all the loose bits.
Yeah.
So yeah, it's just it's a mammoth task.
Yeah, well, they always are with these things, but yeah, we'll show this when it's finished. But yeah, you've done a great job on there.
Thank you very much.
Yeah, Kirsty. You do another one, do you think?
If John wants me to do one,
yeah.
I don't mind. I'll
Right.
do another one.
Cool.
Yeah.
All right. Sometimes people go never again.
Yeah.
Lovely.
Yeah.
All right, my mate. Thank you very much.
That's all right, no
Take care.
problem at all.
Cheers. So she's out in the sun. Can't do too much interior stuff today because it's not finished and the man's trying to get on. So I'll do some more when we come next time. Top coated in the next week or two, and then they'll start golden up and lining up. Will look one hell of a thing. That's it for today. Thanks for watching the video. Take care. Subscribe, like, and all that malarkey, and we'll catch you on the next one.